Hi there, I'm G, and welcome to Cozymeal Studios. Today we are making green spaghetti. This spin on green spaghetti combines creamy goat cheese, fresh parsley, and a spicy kick of jalapeno. It is absolutely delicious and bursting with flavor. This wonderful dish is an entree on its own, but can be served as a side dish when paired with a protein such as steak, chicken, or shrimp. So start boiling your water and let's get cooking. But before we begin, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn on that notification bell for more recipes from us. To get started, we are going to roast the peppers. So on a stovetop over high heat, roast the poblano and jalapeno peppers. And if you're looking for a spicier kick, use more of the jalapeno peppers. While cooking the peppers, turn the peppers often until they are almost entirely black. Once they are black, place the roasted peppers in a zip-top plastic bag. Then let the peppers steam for 10 minutes. Once they are done steaming, remove the peppers from the bag and rinse the peppers in cold water. Then peel the skin and discard the seeds. When that is completed, slice the peppers and set them aside. Then in a hot frying pan, add 1 tablespoon of butter. Once the butter melts, saute the garlic and onion and cook until lightly golden. Then add the sliced peppers and lower the heat to a simmer. Simmer for 4 to 5 minutes until tender. Now bring a half a gallon of salted water to a boil to cook the spaghetti. To make this recipe gluten-free, you can use any type of gluten-free spaghetti or linguine as a substitution. Cook the spaghetti to the package's instructions. Now take the peppers mixture and transfer it to the jar of a blender. Add the goat cheese, milk, parsley, and salt. Alternatively, you can opt for a vegan version using plant-based cheese and milk. In this case, you should also add a bunch of macadamia nuts or pine nuts to the blender to enhance the creamy texture. Blend until smooth. Now it's time to assemble the green spaghetti. In a hot pan, add the green sauce, but make sure not to bring the sauce up to a boil. Mix to combine the sauce with the spaghetti. Sprinkle with grated mozzarella or queso blanco and extra virgin olive oil. And all that's left to do is enjoy. If you want the full recipe, then check out the description box below, or head to cozymeal.com/recipes, where you will certainly find this recipe and so much more. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more recipes from Cozymeal Studios. And I don't know about you, but I'm so excited to see what is coming up next. See you again soon.